When preparing for the IGCSE English as a Second Language written exam, focus on 3 key skills: reading, writing, and vocabulary. Start by reading a variety of texts, newspapers, short stories, and articles. This will help you understand different writing styles and improve your comprehension. For writing, practice crafting essays and reports. Use clear structures: an introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Remember to plan your time wisely during the exam. Allocate 10 minutes for planning, 30 minutes for writing, and 10 minutes for proofreading. Build your vocabulary daily. Set a goal to learn 5 new words each day and use them in sentences. Create a study timetable. Dedicate Mondays to reading, Tuesdays to writing practice, Wednesdays for vocabulary, and Thursdays for mock exams. Stay consistent and don't forget to review your work regularly. Good luck.